Hello everyone. You've obviously watched my Jackass videos, and I'm going to do another scary clip from my cousin Kevin here. Now he's away for getting me a chippy, which I'm very hungry. Anyway, what I'm going to do is I'm dressed up as... Wait till I fix my tie here. I'm dressed up as Leatherface from the movie Texas Chainsaw. Now obviously I don't have a chainsaw and this probably doesn't look scary enough, but it will be scary when the lights are off. And also I'll have a wee instrument I'm buying right here. Now, when this goes off and I be there, you'll probably be here. Now if I chase him, he'll shit himself. So get ready to see this because this is going to be absolutely hilarious. And I'll just turn this on in a minute and we'll be back after, so enjoy people. Here we go.